All right, hello, Algebra 2 students. I thought I'd just make a video while my son is not crying here. Welcome you back from spring break. It was a good time off. Personally, I watched a bunch of movies. Um, One I saw that was not too bad is called Super 8. I feel like it basically, Stranger Things must have knocked off this movie because it was so similar to the TV show Stranger Things. But at any rate, hope you all are doing well. Getting back at it this week, I thought I'd just kind of highlight a few things for you. Um, One, there are still help sessions online, 11 to 11:30 if you have any questions. If you can't make it those time, email me. I can meet with you individually different times too if you like doing the Google Meet. Otherwise, a really good way to get questions answered is just post them on this question blog here. I can respond with videos, right? You can also just email me as things come up. Nothing too new this week. It's going to be Tuesday lesson, Wednesday assignment, Thursday lesson, Friday assignment, right? So the stuff is all in these folders. Hopefully you can just find them and go through as needed. And it's all about 9.5, which is geometric series. And so they'll go through all this stuff, but it's just two types, ones that are infinite and ones that are finite. So there's two different lessons from 9.5 and two different assignments. One thing I want to note is I have been making completion folders. I had 4 or 5 people reach out and say that you don't actually, it doesn't show that you've completed things when they know they've clicked on everything in the folder. I'm not sure how to quite fix that. I know that on my end, I can see that the students actually have it done, but a lot of students have been saying they don't see it done on their end. So I guess don't worry too much about that. The main thing is I'll be grading campus and stuff, so you'll be able to see, make sure you're getting credit for all the work you're doing. And if something in there doesn't look right, let me know. I hope to have it updated by Tuesday around noon. So if anything on campus looks wrong, then let me know. Other than that, I just wanted to highlight that if you do ask questions about homework, I post the videos next to the assignment. So you can see from last week on Tuesday, 9.4 arithmetic series, as questions came up on 6, 7, 8, 9, I posted them here. So if you ever want to look back at those as you start to review for tests and stuff like that, you can there and know that, you can also ask them. But I post them here for anyone else that might be interested. As far as tests go, I'm not sure when our test is going to be or what it's going to look like. We are still talking about that. Um, all right, that's it. I hope it is a good week. Please, please, please don't hesitate to contact me if any questions come up. All right, bye.